Hello guys, welcome to Tunga KS Academy. We are starting a new series of CSAT solving CSAT question papers from UPSC. This will help you to understand the type of questions in KS examination. In KS examination, around 30 questions of aptitude were asked, right? In that, there is a greater chance of them asking a similar questions or the same questions from the CSAT PYQs. So what I suggest you is that please go through the CSAT question papers and do some problems so that it would help you to crack or solve the questions, aptitude questions in KS examination. For this, what we are going to do is we are going to solve all the PYQs from the UPSC CSAT so that you can get a fair idea on how to solve this type of questions if it is arrived if it is asked in KPSC KS examination. Okay. Now we are going to solve this question, and this question is from 2013 CSAT, 2016 CSAT from UPSC examination. First, let us read the questions and try to understand what they have asked in that. Later on, what we can do is we can solve that. Right. This is a comparison based question. First, let's read this. Four friends A, B, C, D distribute some money among themselves in such a manner that A gets 1 less than B, C gets 5 more than D, D gets 3 more than B. Who gets the smallest amount? Correct? This is the very easiest question. Let me solve this. So first we need to use the first hint, that is A gets 1 less than B, right? So how much A gets? A gets 1 less than B, right? The second hint is C gets 5 more than D. Okay. C gets 5 more than D. Okay. At the same time, D gets 3 more than B, right? D gets 3 more than B. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to substitute or represent each equation. So we have got 3 equations, right? What we need to do here is that we need to represent each term, that is A, C, D, in a common term, right? That might be in a form of B, right? So the first equation is in the form of B, and the second equation is also in the form of B. So the third equation, that is C is equal to D plus 5, it should be in the form of B, right? So what we can do is we can substitute the value of D, that is B plus 3 here, so that we are going to get C in form of B, right? So what is the C value here? C is nothing but D plus 5. Here D is nothing but B plus 3. So I will write it here, B plus 3 plus 5, correct? So C is nothing but what? B plus 8, correct? So let me write all these things. That is A is equal to B minus 1 and C is equal to B plus 8 and D is equal to B plus 3, correct? From looking at this, which one is the smallest amount or the smallest term? By looking at it, these terms, what we can say is that A is equal to B minus 1 is the smallest amount, right? So in order to confirm that, what I can do is I will represent B on this number line. So where is A? A is 1 left over here, right? So we need to subtract it. So A will be here. What I need to do to get D? So I need to add 3, right? So if I add 3 to B, what I'm going to get? D. At the same time, how to get the value of C? I need to add plus 8, right? So what I'm going to get? C. So here, the smallest term is A and biggest term is C. But in question, what they have asked is, Who gets the smallest amount, right? Who gets the smallest amount here? A gets the smallest amount. So the option A is the answer for this. Thanks you for watching. Keep learning. All the best.